This is the E major chord. Hi, Tom Fontana here from TheGuitarLesson.com to teach you the E major chord. So the fingering for an E major chord is your first finger on the first fret of the G string, your middle finger goes to the second fret of the A, and your ring finger goes right below that to the second fret of the D string. It'll be strumming all of the guitar strings for this one. Now pluck each string one by one to make sure that there are no strings buzzing and that you don't have any dead notes. And in case you hear something wrong, then just make sure, double check your fingers are arched up like this and that they're not touching any of the adjacent strings right there, okay? A good way to practice this chord and basically any other chord that you learn is by doing the chord on, chord off technique. So with that, we'll be putting our fingers into that chord position. Strum all the strings, take your fingers off, wiggle them around a bit, put the chord back on, and then take it off. Chord off, chord on, chord off, chord on. And your aim here is to try to put your fingers back into that exact chord shape, okay? And at first it might help a bit to place your first finger down first of all, and after that your other two fingers will find their way much easier, okay? The best way to practice a chord is by using it in the context of real music. So let's just have a simple two-chord chord progression right now. We'll be changing between the E major and the A minor. And you can already hear that Latin vibe going on there. And the strumming pattern I'll be using is quite fast. It goes something like this. And that's how you play the E major chord.